Hello and welcome to Rempah Ratus Kitchen, where I share a weekly recipe with you. This week's recipe, Instant Noodle Omelette, is especially for those of you who are novice cooks and for those in a hurry. A tasty omelette, this is suitable for breakfast, lunch or dinner. I've listed the ingredients in the description box below, so what are we waiting for? Our instant noodle omelette is going to be made with a quarter of a medium onion chopped, 1 red bird's eye chilli also chopped, and 1 chicken sausage that I boiled, slit into 4 lengthwise and then cut up into pieces. This is the main player in our recipe. 1 packet of instant noodles. I cooked the noodles in boiling water, then drained it and rinsed it in tap water after that. I then added the packet seasoning to it. Here is the other main player in our recipe, 3 eggs beaten with salt and pepper to taste. Adding the sausage, onion and the red bird's eye chilli to the egg mixture. Combine the ingredients in anticipation of the noodles. Noodles going in now. Let's give everything a good mix before cooking. That's done. Let's head to the stove now. Let's turn the stove on low. 1 knob of butter going in. And a little bit more for good measure. Let's smear the bottom of the pan with the butter in preparation for the egg mixture. The egg and noodle mixture with all the goodies in it goes in now. The noodles look a bit clumpy. Let's even them out. If I had some garlic chives, I would scatter some over the noodles, but I don't. If you happen to have any garlic chives or spring onion leaves, then you could scatter some of it over the noodles. This is because eggs, chives and cheese go so well together. You must be wondering where the cheese is. Here it is, parmesan cheese. Let us sprinkle a generous amount of this parmesan cheese on the noodle omelette. Don't you just love a cheesy omelette? I do. Let's now cover and cook this on a low heat for 1 minute. It's been a minute and it's now time to do some culinary acrobatics. Let's turn off the stove and put a plate over this omelette and flip the pan over. Put the pan back on the stove and now we'll have to gently slide the omelette into the pan and cook the flip side. Turn the stove on and keep the flame at low. The flip side has been cooking for a minute now. Let's turn off the stove. We are back to the culinary acrobatics. Let's flip the pan again. Here we are, one knobbly but delicious instant noodle omelette. Just to let you know, you can use 2 eggs instead of 3. If you use 2 eggs, you'll have more of the noodle and less of the omelette. So, what's your preference? Now let's cut a wedge of this noodle omelette. It also looks like a frittata, doesn't it? So you can also call it an instant noodle frittata. Oh, wait for it, there. Here is a wedge of the omelette up close. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Please do try this recipe at home and send me a photograph of your omelette to my email address that I've listed in the description box below. Until I see you again next week with another video, stay safe. Bye.